Hello my dear students, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to start exercise 5D continuation. So till question number 3 we have already done in the previous class. So today I am going to start from question number 4. So page number you have 96, exercise 5D. In question number 4 we have divide. So in this portion we have total 8 questions. Okay, there are 8 questions. Out of these 8 questions, 4 I will solve and the remaining 4 will be your homework. Okay, so I am going to solve these 4 questions. The first question we have 35 divided by 1 by 5. Now here when we divide we have to change the sign. If it is 35 divided by 1 by 5, then when we change this one, it will be 5. Okay, 1 by 5, the position, the value will interchange. Okay, and when it will interchange, the answer will be 35 into 5. So you can do it here. 35 into 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 carry 2. 5 3 is 15 plus 2, 70. So your answer will be 175. Okay, so the next question, question number 3. So in question number 3 we have 8 by 12 divided by 5 by 18. So we can do this one as 8 by 12, and when we divide, this sign can be changed into multiply, and this number will be reciprocal. Okay, if it is 5 by 18 and when we are changing the sign, it will become 18 by 5. Okay, the value of this number will interchange, and then we can go for reducing the number or cancelling. So here we have 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Again we can reduce this by 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. Now the remaining number we have 2 here 6. So 2 6 are 12. 1 into 5 5. So after reducing this one we will get 12 by 5. This will be your answer. Okay. Now next question. Next question we have question number 5. And in question number 5, 1 3 by 4 divided by 2 3 by 16. So here also we have to do the same thing, but the difference is that the number is given in a mixed fraction. So we have to convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction. So here it will be 4 1 is 4 plus 3 7. So we will get 7 by 4 divided by here 16 into 2. 32 plus 3 5. 35 by 16. Now in order to simplify this one, what we have to do, that we have to change this sign. Okay, while changing the sign, the value will interchange. Okay, this 16 will go up and 35 will come down. So next step we have 7 by 4 into, okay, this sign will change and this value will also change. So we can write this one as 16 by 35. Now we can reduce this number. So 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, then 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Now at the numerator side we have 1 into 4. So 1 into 4 will get 4, and here 1 into 5. So 1 into 5 will be 5. So your answer will be 4 by 5. Okay, the last question from this, question number 4, we have 5 5 by 8 divided by 6 1 by 4. So here also it is given in a mixed fraction. First step we have to convert this one into simple fraction. So here we have to multiply this one. 8 5s are 40 plus 5. Here we will get 45 by 8 divided by Here also 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. 25 by 4. Now we have to change this sign. Okay, divide sign, when we change it will be converted into multiply. At the same time, the value of this fraction will also interchange. So in next step, what we can do that 45 by 8 into, now this 4 will go up, 25 will come down. So 4 divided by 25. Now next step, we have to reduce this number. So here 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, then here 5, 5 9s are 45, 5 5s are 25. Now the remaining number at the numerator side we have 9 into 1. That means 9 1s are 9. We can write this one as 9 1s are 9. Here we have 2 into 5. So 2 5s are 10. So your answer will be 9 by 10. Okay, next question we have question number 5, simplify. So in simplify also total number of question we have 4. Okay, out of these 4 I will solve 2 question and 2 remaining will be your homework. So I am going to solve question number 1 and question number 4. First let's start with this question number 1. So in question number 1 we have given 1 by 24 into 2 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 14. So here first step we will convert this mixed fraction into simple fraction, then we will follow this BODMAS. Okay, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So if bracket is not there, we will go for the off. If off is also not there, we will go for the division. Okay, and after division we will go for the multiplication and similarly on addition and subtraction. So first step we will convert this one into simple fraction. So 24 1s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 24 into 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, 9 by 4 divided by 14 1s are 14 plus 1, 15, 15 by 14. Now after this step, if you follow this BODMAS rule, we have to go for a division. Okay, a division then multiplication. So we'll follow the same 25 by 24 into 9 by 4. Here we will change the sign into, and the value or the number will interchange. So it will become 14 by 15. Okay, now we will reduce this part first. Then whatever the number will left, we have to multiply with this number. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Here 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. So next step we have 25 by 24 into, now whatever the number is left, we have to multiply this. So 3 into 7. Okay, this 3 into this 7. So 3 into 7, 7 3s are 21 by here 2 into 5 10. Okay, now the next step we have here 25 by 24 into 21 by 10. Now we will try to reduce this number to smallest one. So here 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So here this 21 and 24, it will go by 3. So 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Now after reducing this one, the remaining number we have at the numerator 5 and 7. So we will multiply this 5 and 7. 7 5 is 35. Now similarly we will do for this denominator also. So here we have 8 into 2. So 8 2s are 60. So this is our answer. 35 by 16 is our answer. The last question from this question number 5, simplified, we have 3 by 5 of 6 by 10 divided by 1 3 by 5. So first we'll simplify this one. 3 by 5 of 6 by 10 divided by 5 1 is 5 plus 3 8. 8 by 5. Now again you have to follow this board mass. So bracket is not there, off is there, okay? This off is there in this question, off. So here 3 by 5 into 6 by 10 divided by 8 by 5. So first we will try to solve this portion, then we will go for the division. After off we have to go for this division. Now here we have 3 by 5, or we can directly multiply this, since okay, we can do one thing, we can reduce this number. 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. So here 3 3s are 9, 9 by 25 divided by 8 by 5. Now next step, what we can do that, we can change this sign into multiply. So here 9 by 25 into this number will interchange. So 5 will go up, 5 by 8. Now we can reduce this 5 and 25. So 5 1 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Here we will get 9 1 is 9 by 8 5 is 40. So this will be your answer for this question number 4. Now next I am moving towards question number 7. Again we have simplified. So in this simplified, the first question we have 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So this is very easy. What we have to do that, we have to reciprocal this number. So first one we can simplify this one, 3 by 5, and when we reciprocal this 5 will go up and 1 will come down. Now what we have to do that, we have to multiply this number. So 5 3 the 15, or we can do one thing, we can cancel this. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. So remaining 3 by 1. 3 by 1 means your answer will be 3. Now question number 4 of this question number 7, simplify, we have 4 by 5 minus 1 by 4 divided by 1, 9 by 20 plus 1, 1 by 10. So here we have to first convert this one into simple fraction. So first step, we will do 4 by 5 minus 1 by 4 divided by 21, the 20 plus 9. Here we will get 29 by 20 plus 10 1 the 10 plus 1 11, 11 by 10. Okay. Now next step, for this one upper part we have to take LCM of this 5 and 4. Okay, LCM of 5 and 4. If you take the LCM of this 5 and 4 will get 20. Okay, so here we have 20 as your LCM. Now if you divide this 20 by 5, 5 4s are 20. Okay, 4, and whatever the value we have in the numerator, we have to keep it as it is. So 4 into 4 minus, if you divide this 20 by 4, it will go 5 times. So 5 into whatever we have in the numerator, we have to write it. So 1 divided by, similarly for the lower part we have to do the same. Here we have 20 and 10. So LCM of this 20 and 10 will be 20. Okay. Once again, the LCM for this 20 and 10 we have 20. Now we will follow the same method as the upper one. So here we have 29. Now if you divide this 20 by 20, it will go one time into whatever we have in the numerator. We will write here 29 plus In the upper part we have minus sign, in the lower part we have plus sign. So if you divide this 20 by 10, it will go 2 times. So 10 to the 20 into we have 11 in the numerator. The next step we will simplify this one. 4 4 is 16. Okay, 16 minus 5 1 is 5 divided by 20. Again, for the lower one we have 1 into 29, 29 plus 11 to the 22 divided by 20. Okay. Now the next step we have 16 minus 5. So 16 minus 5 we have 11 by LCM we have denominator 20 divided by, next we have 29 plus 22. So if you add 29 plus 22 we'll get 9 plus 2 11 1, carry 1. So 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5. So we'll get 51 by denominator we have 20. Now what we'll do that we'll reciprocal this number. Now we can write this one as 11 by 20 into this 20 will go up and 51 will come down. Now this 21 is 20, 21 is 20. We can cancel it. So we have 11 by 51. So this will be your answer.